The resident's personal safety alarm is going off. You can hear the alarm. The staff hear it, but nobody's making any effort to check on the resident. Why is that? My name's David Terry. I'm a nursing home abuse and neglect lawyer with nearly 25 years of pursuing justice for nursing home residents who've been seriously injured or killed by the nursing home industry. Today, I want to finish our conversation on personal safety alarms by addressing the, quote, false alarms, end quote, excuse that the nursing home industry has concocted for not using personal safety alarms for residents. They say that the alarms will go off when the residents move, but not necessarily when they're actually standing up. So that creates a false alarm that the resident is actually not in any danger. And as a result, employees become desensitized to the alarms going off because they're often false alarms. And so they stop responding to the alarm. So the result, of course, is that an alarm goes off, the staff ignores it, and the next thing you know, the resident's on the floor for several hours with a broken hip. So what are we to make of this? Is it true that sometimes there are false alarms and that the alarm goes off when the resident is not actively trying to get out of bed? Yes, that's true. It has been true in the past. However, technology is improving that issue so that this excuse is based on old technology and not on current reality. If you have a loved one in a nursing home and they are using this excuse as to why they're not using personal safety alarms, then you can know two things right off the bat. Number one, the facility is too cheap to invest in new technology. And two, the facility probably has a staffing problem and may not be able to adequately supervise and monitor their residents. Now, if that's the case, then you have a decision to make about your loved one and that particular facility. Our desire at the Terry Law Firm is to make the nursing home industry provide better care to the elderly people that they invite into their facilities and that they're getting paid for to care for. And also to get justice for those who are injured when the nursing home fails to provide a safe environment for its residents. Now, you can help us by telling your story in the comments and sharing these videos. Every little bit helps, and we thank you a lot.